Yung maganda lang po doon, kung invite siya, at least may right siya ngayon to confront yung mga accusers, tapos to test the credibility, admissibility, the authenticity of the documents being presented. So mas may ano po siya, pag ganun na ma-invite siya, mas mapoprotektahan yung right to due process niya.
Pero kung
But of course, meron pang other legal issues kasi kaming nakikita na may question of law po. Yun lang yung masabi ko talaga, hindi ko ano talaga yung pinaka cause of action namin or yung pinaka maging arguments namin kasi yun nga po, it's part of the legal strategy. So hopefully you understand din po my position.
yes, we respect po your position, attorney. Pero kung sakali nga po na imbitahan po si Attorney Mans, willing po ba siya to cooperate? Willing po ba siya na magpunta doon?
Yung last po naming diniscuss, he fully respects naman po the impeachment process eh. So that's part of the impeachment process.
So
Yung
handa
mga
po
invitations,
siyang humarap.
subpoenas.
Opo, kung sakali.
And then, yung gusto ko lang din po pala i-clarify kasi yung mga issues kasi na binabato kay Attorney Mans, most likely daw magfa-file na naman niya ng kaso para pigilan lang yung impeachment. Hindi po ganun yung ano namin, yung position namin. It's simply because it's simply for us to follow lang yung rule of law. Kasi may mga legal remedies po tayo under the Constitution, under our laws. So kung may nakikita po si Attorney Mans na pwede niyang ipaglaban, i-enforce na lang po yan. And that's not simply to stop the impeachment process po. Parte po yan ng constitutional right naman ng every citizen.
Okay.
So yan lang gusto ko emphasize kasi ano po may mga political remarks against him na tingin ko po unfair. Kasi si Attorney Mans nga po is a different individual from VP Sara, therefore he has his own set of rights, constitutional rights that should also be respected.